Welcome. Please take a moment to breathe deeply and make plenty of space to become aware of your mind and body. What is spring if not Mother Nature calling her children to bloom into their dreams? Winters are made for hibernation, filled with mentally transforming our nightmares into dreams. All of that inner work is being called to bloom. This season will guide you, will invite you to release the growth and creativity hibernating within. Trust that you were meant to let that beauty bloom into reality. You will feel cleansed with every spring shower and pulled by nature's aroma of renewal. Your environment will change, your body will feel awakened to the outer world surrounding you. Allow these changes to guide you. Your body will feel it. Let it be easy and allow your mind to follow. This transition is the push you've been needing from the universe. Take the leap of faith. Let the dreams of winter guide you. Let the signs of spring assure you